I don't know if you can hear them. They sound pretty loud. But they kind of come and go. But right now they're going strong. It seems like every hour. Miley's down here. I'm not sure if it's videotaping everything. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, so she's waking me up every hour. Okay. Hi. Good morning. So we made it through the night. Miley had a really hard time. I did okay. It was really cold. So it's freezing rain right now. So I'm gonna wrap this up really fast. I gotta get Miley somewhere warm. She's shaking. She's got her coat on, but let's see if we can. And she had her own quilt, but she was so terrified. There were dogs howling somewhere from back here. And then they would fight, and you'd hear them like scrapping. And then it would get quiet. And then about an hour later, the howling would start again. And I thought it was really cool. She just wanted to run. I thought she was going to go right through the walls of the tent. But as you can see, it's held up. So I'm going to, before this freezing rain gets too bad, I'm going to get the tent taken down and try to get her some breakfast. Reading the menu, Miley? Huh? Okay, kid.
Good morning.
She was sure that, something was going to eat her alive. And she was going to just save herself, not me.
She's not going in for you, huh? She's out of there.
She's out of there, yeah. I used to have a cup of coffee, that's for sure.
Salt is already big. I know. This is terrible. This is
All
I
right,
don't know what it's doing, but
what do we got?
oh, there you go.
Can you read it?
21.
No way, is it that light?
Right? 21.
Oh my gosh, that's what
20.
20? That's 3 days food in there. I don't have the water in yet, but that's 3 days food.
Yep.
Look at that.
That's good, right?
Oh my gosh, yes, that's amazing.
That's good.
Okay, so it's solid ice. So I have the crampons on instead of micro spikes because it's been full on raining ice for about 3 hours now. And at Mohican, they've been spending time trying to get people
out along their roadway. They're getting stuck just on the ice alone. So this is part of the Appalachian Trail, and I am going to try to get us some water down there. And because of Miley's spillage last night, we're short on water. I could have filled it up at the Mohican Center during breakfast, but I decided to really try to do this as much on my own as possible. Miley, where are you, girl? Miley! Okay, you're getting too far. You're getting too far, honey. Stay with mama. Good job, girl. Good job. All right, we're changing coats. I'm gonna put a rain cover on because everything's starting to get pretty soaked out here. And maybe changing over a bit. To a wetter ice. Because initially it was just laying on top. It wasn't causing problems like it is now. So better safe than sorry before everything gets caught in a downpour out here. Oh, sorry, baby girl. I didn't know you were right there. Hit you right in the head, huh? All right. Let's get in here. It's flowing nice. Gotta check for moving rocks, which they are moving. Very treacherous. Try to do this without getting my hands wet. I better take off my glove just in case. Sorry about the camera shake. And there you have it. Fresh mountain water. Looking good. Nice and clear. And I got the water to go bottle today. It's a little heavier, but you saw how light my pack was. So, and this is for full winter gear. For 10-degree weather, which I won't be out in. Which I'm happy about because that's okay for a couple nights. Maybe a little harsh when you're going more and more and more. Alrighty then. I'm gonna turn you off and I'll see you in a bit. Look at the gorgeous scenery. It's really starting to come down now. It's been raining quite a while. Sorry, we're going downhill right now, so I gotta be really careful. And obviously, because of the freezing rain, it's becoming quite treacherous. And mostly, this is great. I'm having a great time. But it is cold, but it's pretty awesome. The beauty out here is, and obviously they have a lot of snow. I thought we had a lot of snow. They have a lot of snow. So for Miley's sake. She doesn't have a proper raincoat. And before she, gets too cold. I was thinking that the weather forecast said that today would be cloudy, but it has been a steady rain for hours now that we've been out in. So what we're going to do is hike back, which is, the smart thing to do for the dog. And also, it's probably, I'm sorry, I'm like sweating out here. So it's not that I'm cold, and she's really dragging on the leash, meaning she's done. Her fun meter is peaked and she's had enough. And the crampons are wonderful. They work great, and you do need full on crampons up here right now. Sorry if I'm negotiating and I'm hesitating, but I have to make sure I'm safe out here. But so I feel like I accomplished, even though the first day didn't go exactly as planned, I feel like I've accomplished everything I needed to accomplish for a first shakedown hike. And this was more just spending today was well, you got to stay out from under my feet. Yeah, I think she got a crampon correction, but does it teach her anything? Nope, she goes right back under my feet. She's very impatient, so she tries to dart around you a lot. But yeah, so back to, I feel like I've learned what I needed to learn. Sorry, I didn't get a lot of footage of the scenery, but it is treacherous out here right now. It's rocky, but I'm kind of in a flat area, which, as you know, up here at the Delaware Water Gap, it's not exactly flat. So we've been out here a while, and like I said, she's soaked through at this point. She was terrified last night, and she's just over this trip. Whereas it was like I had a really good time. I enjoyed this. So yeah, but okay, so I'm gonna sign off for right now, and hopefully I'll do a recap. If not, please accept my apologies if this is a very disjointed video.